The U.S. House of Representatives passed a federal right to try bill that could allow terminally ill patients the right to try treatments not approved by the FDA. 9 on your side's Carlos Herrera spoke with medical experts here in Tucson who say a federal bill may not be the right answer.
It's a bill supported by President Donald Trump, giving terminally ill patients the right to seek drug treatments that haven't been fully approved by the Food and Drug Administration.
The bill is passed, and without objection, the motion to reconsider is laid upon the table.
The right to try bill passing the House, now it only needs approval from the Senate. It already exists in 38 states, including Arizona, but this federal bill would introduce legislation in the entire country. Those supporting it say it's really a law for people who are very sick, have no other treatment options, and can't enroll in a clinical trial. They say by bypassing FDA permission, patients can save even more time, but opponents saying it could have a detrimental effect.
This law would allow basically anyone to do anything as long as the doctor and the patients agree.
Dr. Daniel Persky is the Associate Director of the University of Arizona's Cancer Center. He says the FDA already has compassionate use policies that give terminally ill patients without other options access to experimental drugs outside of clinical trials. Dr. Persky says the requests are generally processed within a few days by the FDA.
If they're dying that quickly, the drug is not the right answer. So, no, I think a day or two is very reasonable to get your bearings, understand more about the drug, and get it.
This sort of legislation is not really necessary.
Law experts say it's not just the patient's health that is at stake, it's also the expenses in our healthcare system.
We are all paying that through our taxes and Medicare and Medicaid and through our insurance premiums. So it's important that the FDA take at least some time to figure out whether the drug's even going to be minimally safe and effective.
Carlos Herrera, KGUN 9, on your side.